Is Balloon Bamboo Man Battle worth buying? This Balloon Bamboo Man Battle gone viral. It is an innovative and fast-paced wooden bots battle game crafted for 2 players. With intricately handcrafted wooden fence puppets that can excite an adrenaline-pumping balloon battle, meticulously crafted to showcase superior artistry and sturdy bamboo construction, making every battle a visually stunning experience. Get ready for an exciting whirlwind of fun. This fast-paced balloon fight toy rhythmic, it will keep you on your toes as you compete to hit the balloon at the top, and feel the thrill of your opponent's wooden fighter as you strategize and maneuver to beat your rival in this action-packed game, where these balloon-headed wooden robots fight. This balloon party game adds a unique twist to traditional dueling, challenging players to strike with precision and timing to ensure victory in the Balloon Bamboo Man battle. Unleash laughter and joy at any gathering with this wooden bots battle game, perfect for parties or casual hangouts. Now at last, is this Balloon Bamboo Man battle worth the price? And what is the real price for it? Thank you for watching.